Travis here at Western Highways, featuring a brand new truck and a brand new bed that we just designed for a customer of ours. This multi-purpose truck features North American signal lights and beacons. It also has a laser that shines down and is adjustable for your needs. It also has the feature of a man basket that's 2 inches off the ground. We also added a bunch of lights to this truck for the convenience of the night vision that you guys need. We also put light aluminum fold-down gates on this truck for your convenience. Pallets on and off. Not only that, it also has tie downs that are built in. It also features a swing gate.
Built for safety.
We get in and out of the truck pretty easy. You got 1, 3, once the content. This also features a lift gate for the back of your truck for easy loading and unloading of your products. For additional information on this multi-truck, please give us a call at Western Highway. Phone number down below, or you can reach us at our website, email, and so forth. Please reach out to us for any questions or any concerns, or if you need some modifications on your traffic control truck, don't hesitate to call us.